There you go, miss.
Hey, Lucas, is there Captain Nature over there?
Wait, Missy. No. No. Come on, this way. Come on. I know. Come on.
Wait, Lucas, who are you?
I'm Captain Nature.
Captain
Why
Nature?
does this happen? Right? Oh, this is all wet.
I'm Captain Nature.
Shoot.
Hi,
Why does this do this? What is here that makes it do this?
Captain Nature. Hi, Captain.
Oh, this is very wet. I gotta.
Hi, Captain.
Hold on, I'll be back. I gotta turn down the.
Hi to you, Miss Captain Nature. Hi, Missy. I'm Captain Nature.
Wait, Lucas, who are you?
I'm Captain Nature.
Captain Nature?
Yeah, Captain Nature.
Captain Nature?
Huh?
Cap-
Captain Nature, yeah.
What does Captain Nature do?
He gets umbrellas.
Gets umbrellas. Wow.
Right, Daddy?
I think so.
It's my umbrella. Hi, Missy. I got an umbrella. I delivered umbrella. It's my umbrella. Raining, Missy. It's raining.
Missy, sit down on your booty. You can do it. You can do it. Missy, you can do it. You can go down. Yeah, good girl. Missy's afraid to do slides on her own. Wait. Lucas, it's okay. Oh, Captain Nature just went down.
Sit down. Then stop getting up here. Come on.
Captain Nature's down.
Guys, it's time to go get a bath. Or go get a nap. She's gonna go up again.
Well, Captain Nature's up there. It's entirely possible this is a truly invented from scratch superhero.
Hey guys, time for a nap.
No, I'm sleeping right here.
Are you now?
Is that Captain Nature's superpower, sleeping outside? Ate something. Night, guys. Show Missy how to go down the slide. Go. Go, Captain Nature, go. Lucas, go down.
No, Daddy can do it this time.
Lucas, show her how to go down. Go. No, just show her. Just you do it.
Mommy, hold me.
Come on.
Well, I'm going.
Okay, no more going up. We're all done. We're going inside to get a nap. No, Lucas. Come on. No. Don't go down anymore. Or don't go up anymore.
All right, Missy, let's go get a nap.
Come on, Captain Nader.
Captain Nature.
No, he says Nader.
Captain Nature. Captain Nature.
I am fascinated. You see?
No, Missy, time for nap. Can you say
Come
nap?
on, Mr. Man.
Open, please. Uh-oh. Well, this is about to be a fight. Bye. Oh. Captain Nature's inside. No hitting the window. No.